take a look at number 2 in section 7.2. We're going to evaluate the following integral involving a product of powers of sines and cosines. So remember, the way we're going to do this is we're going to look at these powers and hope that there's an odd power. That will be good. And of course, we do have an odd power. Sine is cubed. So what we're going to do if we have an odd power of sine or cosine, we're going to peel off one of the factors from that odd power for our du. So I'm going to factor out a sine of x from sine cubed, leaving sine squared. There I'll have my sine of x for my du, and I'm going to let u be cosine of x. Of course, du is negative sine dx, and so I get negative du is sine dx. So this right here is my negative du. Of course, the cosine to the 16th is cosine of x to the 16th power, so that would be u to the 16th power. And then by the Pythagorean identity, remember we know that sine squared x plus cosine squared x is 1, and so sine squared x is 1 minus cosine squared x, which is 1 minus u squared. So pulling that negative outside, I've got 1 minus u squared times u to the 16th, right? And I can distribute this through in order to evaluate. We get u to the 16th minus u to the 18th, and now we can integrate using the power rule, right? The antiderivative of u to the 16th is 1/17th u to the 17th. I'll go ahead and multiply by that negative. Same thing here, times that negative is positive, and the antiderivative of u to the 18th is this right here. So now go back to the original variable, which is u, remember, was cosine of x, and so replacing u with cosine of x gives us our answer here. Now in Achieve, it won't really like cosine to the 17th power written this way, cosine of x to the 17th power. So remember, what this really means is cosine of x all to the 17th power. I think you have to have the x also in parentheses in Achieve. So this would be the Achieve friendly version of this. Okay, hope this makes sense.